Things I wish I knew before I started trading Forex. It will take a very long time. If I knew that it will take years, 2 years, it's like a skill that will take more years before you master it and start making real money. But then you see on social medias, on YouTube, on Instagram, you see that people are making money in their early 20s, and then you wish that you want also to do the same. It will take time. Hello. When I was starting to learn Forex trading, my mentor told me that market structure is the king. But as I started involving in Forex trading myself, I came to realize that market structure can't help you a lot without proper risk management. You can have $1,000, you can have 10,000 plus. If you don't have proper risk management, I promise you, it won't all make sense. It will all disappear. Forex trading, this is what I like about it. It teaches you how to control yourself, how you can manage your risks, how you can manage your emotions. Another thing I wish someone had told me before I started trading Forex was that Forex trading is a skill that requires patience and psychology a lot more than it requires self-mastery more than the strategy. The strategy can help you. Anyone can learn the strategy with it. Are you lost? F1 is here.
Yeah?
Yes. Okay. Okay, well, I was saying that a strategy can help you, and also you can learn a strategy within 6 months. Yes, 6 months you can master a strategy. But for sure, without your persistence, without proper risk management. But man, tell me, all those who have learned Forex trading, was it that if it took you, is it really that within the years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years that it takes, or even 2 years, are they really learning that strategy, that price action, that MACD indicators? No, not really. That's not what they're learning. It's self-discovery. They're learning they're learning to control their psychology. They're learning to control psychology. They're learning to manage their emotions. And that's what I think someone could have told me. My mate, I wish he could have told me that yes, the strategy is necessary. Having an edge is perfect. It's very perfect. Knowing when to enter a trade, when to get out of the trade, where you put your stop loss and where you put your take profit. That would have been a perfect thing for me to learn. But that wouldn't. Alone, no. That thing alone can't help you. One currency pair, trading one currency pair can give you all the money you want. As beginners, we find that we are trying to look at the charts of 10 currency pairs, but then we don't know that once you focus on a single pair, one single pair can change your entire life. I remember myself going on the GBP for 1 week, 2 weeks. After a short period of time, I start changing. People on the internet, they are trading gold. Let me check on gold. But then you come to realize that no, after even checking on gold, soon you will shift to US 30. Soon you will go to other pairs. But man, I wish someone told me that trading one single pair can change your life. You only need one strategy. Yes, you only need one strategy to win in the market. Either you choose price action, either you choose price action, or you choose smart money concept. I don't know. You choose the ICT concept. There are a lot of things. What your mentor taught you, just focusing on what your mentor has taught you. I came into the market hoping that, okay, let me lock in 3 months within 6 months, and then it will start paying. Yes, that's a good mentality to have, but bro, it didn't work that way. Market rewards patience. Yes, market rewards patience. Once you have entered in a trade, once you have done your technical analysis, Once you have done your, either whether you are a fundamental or a technical analyst, once you have done your analysis and then you decide to enter in a trade, just being patient or waiting, having patience to wait for a given setup to happen, that's the key. That's the key. And that's what I wish someone could have told me before. The difference between demo and the real account. Of course, I don't mean that demo you can't make withdrawals. I don't mean that difference. I don't mean that demo you are paper trading. No, I don't mean that difference. I mean the real difference. The difference that on demo you are not. On real account you are playing with your emotions. The market is playing with your emotions. But you find that you are becoming profitable on demo accounts, but then when you go on the real account, you keep on losing. But using the same strategy and seeing the same market structure, the same setup you used on demo, apply it on a real account, but then don't move anything. Don't move your stop loss. Don't try to adjust your stop loss. Don't try to adjust your take profit. No, demo is for you to learn a strategy, for you to backtest, for you to test whether a given strategy works. But then after seeing that it works, then implement it on a real account and give it time. Don't try to rush within the trades. Don't try to chase out the profits from the market. No, not having backup, but don't invest all your savings. Don't put all your money into Forex trading before time. No, bro, I could be within a winning streak. I could have a massive week where on Monday I've been making profit. On Wednesday I made a lot of profits. On then Friday, good one. But then within the next week, I start feeling pride. The pride comes, and then I start over-leveraging, I start over-risking, and that's when things really changed. That's how I could start losing all my account. I start getting liquidated, and things shift. From that point, bro, I would see a different thing. The scenes would change. Another thing, which is also the main thing for this, was that don't tell your friends that you are trading. Don't tell your brothers. Don't tell your friends. Don't tell your parents. Just don't tell anyone, please. Don't tell anyone. Just do it by yourself. But why can't you even do it by yourself? Of course, maybe just tell it to someone whom you see that is willing to help you. Because in this journey, we are in it alone. And I mean alone. No one who will have your back, bro. No one who is going to have your back. But once you have it once you start telling it to other people, once you have started telling it to many different people, you are creating pressure which is unnecessary. You are putting pressure on yourself. People will start saying that, oh, yo, bro, give me $100. You are a trader. Give me how much did you make today? How much did you make today? Because they think that you are a printing machine, a money printing machine. No, bro, don't put that pressure on yourself. Because once you become profitable, yes, it will be a good story to share. But what will happen once you start losing? What do you think will happen? Will you be able to tell that same story? Okay, you can say it for the first time. You can say it for the second time and tell someone, I lost $100 today. I lost $200 today again. And then the next day you lost another 200. Bro, this is a scam. Bro, this is a scam. They will start calling you a gambler. They will start telling you to quit. Bro, don't put this pressure on yourself. The market is enough to pressure you. The market is enough, so don't try to put that much pressure, which is not necessary, on yourself. And I think that's what I wish someone told me.